Actually, what made you guys to do this?
We were happy then and even now. His appearance doesn't matter at all for me. However he looks, it is his decision. He should be happy. Right, Suresh? He got a birthday gift last month, and it was a hairbrush. I mean, a comb. His friends wants to make fun of him, and they had put it in Insta and tagged him.
Oh, then?
We decided to. Then itself, we decided to go for a hair fixing, and we started looking for options, and we didn't want to go for surgical. Then at last we came to know about non-surgical hair. Now I'm going to do two things. One is that I'm going to take a picture of him and I'm going to put it in Insta and tag them and say thank you for the comb. And second thing, I'm going to send them a pack of hair dye.
Hair dye? What?
They might need it later when their hair becomes grey. My husband doesn't need it now. Moreover, it's like braces for teeth issues or dental issues. For eyes, people do fix contact lens. What's wrong in